Hello everyone, this is Joseph and Crystal. We're doing a video requested by Papa Joe. Crystal has an amazing way of doing boiled eggs that it's literally super simple to peel. I've tried boiled eggs, as many of you guys have done. I went online and tried to look, and I've added the baking soda, I've added oil, I've added an ice bath afterwards. I've done a lot of the little tricks out there. And what Crystal's basically doing is she is doing a steam bath is what I would call it. But stay tuned with us, and we're going to follow Crystal through how she does her boiled eggs, and we'll show you at the end how easy it is. Now, the eggs we're using is just right out of the refrigerator. They're not room temperature eggs. Some of the videos say, oh, it needs to be room temperature.
No.
These are straight out of the fridge.
There's no aircon in the Philippines.
Right. They're straight out of the refrigerator. They're straight into the boiling water, straight into the sink.
I mean, there's aircon in the Philippines, but not all of people have aircons.
You're correct, baby.
Yeah.
So, you want to say anything?
No.
All right. Come join us for the ride, and we'll show you the video. Hope you guys like it. Hit the like and subscribe, please.
Thank you.
All right, so we have a small saucepan going. This is roughly 4 cups of water. As you see, it is not that much. It's probably about to there on my finger. Just enough to go about 3/4 the way up an egg when it's laying in it. If you notice, it is not all the way submerged. Okay? So it's about 1/2 to 3/4 the way done. Alright, we're going to bring this up to boil, and then we will put
high, medium,
medium high,
whatever.
medium high, and we're just waiting for it to boil, and then we'll come back.
Alright.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, so now it's boiling already. So what I will do next is just put like 10 eggs. It depends, 10, 12. But I will just put 10 eggs here. You can use this, but I just don't want any more dishes, so I will just use my hand. There you go. 1, 2. I don't want to count because I know you know how to count. Oops, crap.
What do you do when they crack as you put them in there because of the temperature change or the drop?
We will see later, but sometimes they will still cook, but you can see the difference when it's cracked.
They come out weird shape.
Yeah. Like there's holes, something like that.
Uh-huh.
So there we go. So I cooked 10. And then I will set timer to 15 minutes. Now it's 15 minutes, and when the 15 minutes is done, then the boiled eggs is cooked as well.
You don't change the temperature at all?
No, don't change the temperature at all. Just stay medium high. That's it. Ready?
Alright, so timer's going off. It's been 15 minutes. Thanks to the magic of editing, you didn't have to wait that long.
Yep.
Alright, what now, baby?
So turn it off. Yeah, and remove it here. Take the lid off as well, and just drain the hot water. Just drain it, and then it's cold.
Cold tap water?
And then just let it cool. Then you can start peeling it. Okay. So now it's cool. So what you can do is peel it. See that? It's hot, but that's why you can peel it here with water so that you can wash your hands.
And look at that, guys.
Look at how smooth and how quick that came off. It didn't stick one bit. Go ahead, baby. Show them. No, keep going.
Okay, and sometimes you can like...
Go ahead and split it in two.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm not that strong, sorry. There we go.
I've never seen an egg peel that easy.
Smooth.
But it's, I guess you're steaming eggs. You're not necessarily boiling eggs.
See, it's just so easy. Come on. You just don't need to rush it. Just here. There you go. And if there's like more shells, you can just wash it and put it here. The taste's no different. Still eggs, you know. So this is the crack one. So sometimes it, you know, the shape is different, but this one, I'm impressed. It's still eggs. There's no hole, something like that.
So what she's talking about is some of them, because I eat a lot of boiled eggs. Wait, baby. Show them the bottom of that. So, oh, that's just a normal egg.
Yeah, that's just
what it
normal.
is some of them will get a lot of deformed shapes in it because some of the white has leaked out of the crack.
Yeah.
But this one wasn't cracked that bad. Okay.
So that's it. It's just that so easy. Just you will just put like 4 cups of water on the skillet. Small.
Well, what I would recommend people to do is put the eggs in the basket, the bucket they want to do, because depending upon the size of the pot they have, put your eggs in there first. Fill it up till the eggs are about halfway covered with water. Take the eggs out, bring it to a boil, put it back in there, and just rinse and repeat. Until you've done it a few times, you know roughly how much it is. Crystal can eyeball it. There's hard water stains on this pot where we know exactly how much water goes in it for about a dozen eggs.
Yep.
So get to know your own pots, your own stuff, but you're watching this. She's almost peeled 10 eggs in 3 minutes. You know.
Why? You can, how about you? You can be like...
No. Guys, I want everyone to comment to tell me what you think of this recipe.
Really? It's just so easy.
I understand, my love, but people hate peeling eggs. Believe
Really?
it or not. Yeah.
I like peeling eggs.
Well, when it's easy, sure. But as Dad said tonight in the live stream, sometimes these shells stick to the eggs and it becomes an absolute nightmare.
The reason why it sticks to the eggs is it's not really done cooking yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you will just cook it for 15 minutes and it's very easy to...
No. We'll boil it for 15 minutes. That's
15?
normal.
Really?
Yeah, just like for rice and stuff. But
Really? Why it's different?
I don't know, baby.
Maybe it's my magic.
Yeah. Filipino magic. Got it.
There you go. It's done. I peeled all the 10 eggs.
10 eggs in 4 minutes.
No, it's not 4 minutes.
Yeah, the timer's right here on the bottom of the
I see.
screen.
There you go. But I can just do it like 1 minute.
All right, guys.
It's
That's
still hot. See that?
still steaming hot.
Steaming, yeah.
All right, guys. Let us know. Give us a like, thumbs up, and stay tuned for Dad's and Rose's deviled eggs recipe. It's very...
I know you will eat that one now.
Oh, I
It's warm.
love boiled eggs when they're warm. All right, guys. Leave your comments below. Thanks.